demonstration of leadership by example. Social distancing was therefore observed as the Nigerian leader, First Lady Aisha Buhari, other members of the First Family and presidential aides were led in prayers by the chief imam of the State House Masjid, Ustaz Abdul Wahid Suleiman. In a khutbah shortly after, the presiding imam admonished the congregation to be much more submissive to Allah and recommit themselves to the highest principles of sacrifice for safety, security and prosperity of the country, while calling for prayers without ceasing as the only weapon against the darkness dilemma of life, including COVID-19. Ustaz Suleiman also made a case for the Ummah to be peaceful, purposeful and supportive of the genuine efforts by the Buhari administration towards making life better for all. President Muhammadu Buhari, who later performed the symbolic ram slaughtering in line with the sunnah of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, tasked Nigerians to be more conscious of their country.
Nigerians know that we have done our best. We want security, prosperity, and well-being of all Nigerians. What is coming up in Northwest and North Central is very, very disturbing indeed. From the report I'm getting, I believe the military and the police and other law enforcement agencies could do much better. They could do much better, but we are keeping them on the alert all the time to do their duties.
So how do you feel about the recent revelations coming out from the EFCC and the Niger Delta Commission?
There has been abuse of trust by people trusted by